I have tested over 20 GIMP plugins and chose the top 4 to share with you guys. I guarantee that with these 4 plugins, you will be able to edit your cat photos better than ever before. Last one is my absolute favorite, but no one on YouTube really talking about it. So stay tuned for that. Let's go. The first one is called Photo GIMP. This is a really cool plugin. Just see what it does. It turns your GIMP from this to this, just like magic. I have a complete tutorial on how you can install this plugin. You can check it out here. Basically what it does is that it adds some cool new features to your GIMP, such as new fonts, new plugins, new themes, and etc. Which brings me to the next plugin, which is Resynthesizer. If you downloaded the Photo GIMP plugin already, you don't have to download it. It comes pre-installed with the plugin. Yeah, plugin in a plugin. So this is one of the best, if not the best, alternative for Photoshop's content hour fill. For all the newbies here, it's just an object tracer. That's it. So to access it, go to Filters, Enhance, and here click on Heal Selection. First you need to have a selection to activate this. So let me select the lasso tool and create a selection. Click Enter to select the selection and go to Filters, Enhance, and click on Heal Selection. It will bring up a pop-up like this. Here you can put the amount of sampling pixels. So let me put 100 for this and click on OK. So if you wait in a few seconds, just see the magic. See? Boom. It's gone. Now let's move on to the next plugin, which is GIMP. GIMP is the most underrated GIMP plugin, at least for me. It has a lot of effects, such as thousands of effects for your photos. It truly deserves a separate video. I'll make a separate video in the future, so subscribe for that. For now, you can download it from this page or you can download it from the link in the description. Now, the last plugin is Remove BG for GIMP. It's my absolute favorite, but no one on YouTube talks about it. But you can download it from the Remove BG website. Here, just scroll down and here you can see an option called Integrates with your software workflow. And here click on all plugins and download. Come here and here you can see an option called GIMP plugin. Just click on it and you can download it from the GitHub page. Here you can download from here. After you downloaded it, come back to the same page and here click on API documentation. Here click on Get API key and sign up with your Google account. After signing up, go back to the same page. Click on API documentation. Here click on Get API key again. Here you can see your name. Just click on it and you have your API key. Just copy that API key. I'll close everything. Just find that file and copy it and go to this location and paste it here. Now to remove the background, let's open GIMP. Here go to Filters and Remove Background. Here enter your API key that we just copied from the website and click on OK. In a few seconds you have your background removed. Keep in mind this is just a mess. You can always change it. If you want to learn how to install Photo GIMP plugin and make your GIMP look like Photoshop, just click here. I'll see you there.